Hi, I am Arindam Mallick and I like to welcoming you on my Python programming basic course. Let's start. So our today's topic is data types in Python. We are basically discussing today that is the data types of the Python programming language. So if we know that every variables have some data types, means associated every variables are associated with some data types, means which type of data it is. For an example, in Python, same way, Python has some data types, like it is a built-in data types, that is integer, like int. Like if you are like 10 is a number, 1 to 3 is an integer number, so where data type is integer. Float 1.5 or like 54.3, this point have that, this decimal, this point, this the data type is float. Now boolean data type is boolean, bool, we write as bool. True, false, means if there's a, just if you are write that like true or false, this is a true value, obviously data type is bool, that means boolean. Now string, like if you are write like single quote, on the single quote, double quote or triple quote, this is create a string like ram. If you are write the on a single string, we write like ram, or in a double quote we write like java, or in or triple quote we write like python. This is example of the string data type. Now another data type Python have, that is a complex. Complex is the data type Python have, like 3 plus 5i, 4 minus 7i is a I, means imaginary number. Or Python also supports some another data types like list, tuple, dictionaries. Though it is not included in our course, but you must know about the some other data types supports by Python language like list, tuples, dictionaries. Okay. Now this is a reserved keyword or Python have. Every language have some reserved keyword which have the some predefined meaning. Reserved keyword means we cannot use these keywords or these words as a variable name or identifier. Like in Python, there's some reserved keyword, reserved words like and, assert, break, class, continue, def, del, elif, else, except, exec, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, not, on, pass, print, raise, return, try, while, with, yield. So all the Python keywords contain the lowercase letter. That means if you are clearly observed that all the Python key reserved words are on the lowercase. That is a rule for in Python. So okay, thank you.